Hello you guys. I'm doing a review on the Echo 1 Troy MRFS. It is a very good airsoft gun in a CQB. As you can see, it is in my gun bag. Let me get it out, and this is my third order that I have made. So, I got this gun bag with a free gift system. So, here's the gun itself. Here's the gun itself. It is a really awesome gun. I love it very, very much. Here, let me kind of scoot this back. There. I love this gun very, very, very much. It came with an orange flash hider right here, or not an orange flash hider, a cover. It came with it's a small foregrip. I really love this foregrip right here. It came with 2 iron sights right here, there. And it also came with a mag. Which I also got some other mags in this order, but I'll show you the one it came with. A high capacity mag right here. So the bad part about these, let me get to that in a sec, but what I also got is 2 smaller mags, 2 of them. I like smaller mags. They both fit in here perfect. And yeah, the BBs come out of them, which that is normal for most mags. Somehow got an awesome mag, then you're lucky. It also came with a really big battery. I mean, this battery is just huge. 1,500 volt, a charger, as well as a pack. Probably you guys don't really care about this, but some guns you can get with your rewards. So let's get more into the gun. Let me just take this stuff out of here. So, the gun has a crane stock, fully adjustable. I love this crane stock because right here it has a little padding and it's easier to take off. 2 flip iron sights right here. And I'll show you how these iron sights are good, but also bad at the same time. So I'll show you why. Okay. So if you can see that right there, I wish there was a circle in this front one, but there isn't, and that's kind of stinks. There's a lot of detail in this gun. Like, you can't see that right there. It says Troy. That is safe, semi-automatic, and then right there, it is automatic. I got this for CQB. It also has a hop-up, like most guns do. Right there. I will be using this gun in some airsoft battles. I really want to go to the arena, but you know, I have battles with my friends. It is really bad weather out, so I'm sorry I can't do a shooting test. I may do a shooting test next video. I'll show you the damage that I did with this at about 20 to 30 feet. I got this zombie target. I went shooting at the shooting range and we had some left. So I just shot this, and I shot his head completely off. I like this gun way better than my other gun. I can't get it, sorry. One, because it's easier, it's made out of ABS plastic. Retails for around, I got for $200 with a 20% off promo code. And yeah, the gun bag costs for shipping, but not that much. I really love this gun. I really suggest this gun. Please comment, rate, subscribe, like. And this was the Echo 1 Troy MFS. Thanks for watching. See ya.